This is an instructional video on how to connect a video game console to a TV. Here's a video game console, and here is a TV. To hook up the video game console to the TV and to make sure it works, you need the power cable for the game console and a video cable to connect the console and the TV. I am moving the video game console to a good spot next to the TV. Here is the video port for the game console, and here's the video port for the TV. I am plugging in the power into the gaming console now. I am now plugging the HDMI cable into the game console and the TV. Here is the video game controller for the gaming console. Next, we will power everything up. I am ready for powering up.